Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI, and my family owns a real estate business, which means sometimes we have to do a lot of office stuff from our home. Sometimes we have to print documents, get them signed, scan them, and send them. And we have to do this sometimes in a very quick manner, which is why this printer has been so useful to us, especially during those times that we have to send documentation fast or get it printed or signed really fast. And this is the HP OfficeJet 3830. It is a really good printer. It has an amazing quality, and I think the best attribute of this printer is the fact that it is so easy to use. Basically, if you have a document on your phone, you can just select to print it directly from your phone, and it's super fast, which to me is a really nice experience because it's just a modern printer and you don't have to struggle so much to get something as simple as printing a document done. And I just really like this printer because it gets the work done and really fast and really efficiently. And I am so happy that we have acquired this for our family business. And that is my point of view.